Air sealing is critical to keep your house tight and to maximize the performance of your insulation. Today we're going to talk about a few potential leakage points and how to prevent air leakage in a house. We start before we insulate any job and generally before inspection by foam sealing certain penetrations through the top, bottom plates and lateral penetrations through studs. This is a good example of some critical spots for air sealing. We've got these electrical penetrations running laterally through the wall cavity, as well as vertical penetrations going through the top plate. If you'll notice, we also foam sealed the OSB sheeting to the top plate and bottom plates. That'll help prevent air leakage, especially at the top plate from the attic. As codes require tighter and tighter houses, there are some extra steps we can take to air sealing. Another step we can take is to seal the drywall to the top plates. What this does is it prevents any air from leaking in from the attic into the wall cavity and eventually out of any outlets or penetrations through your drywall. So we install our drywall gasket to the top plate of all exterior walls and both sides of all interior walls. It's a really simple application. It's a relatively inexpensive material and a really easy install. So we're just going to tack it up to our corner, run it flush with that top plate, and run it the entire length of this exterior wall, stapling frequently to hold it in place.